Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or remove widgets on your Mac. First, go to your home page and right click, then click Edit Widgets. Here you can scroll down and add widgets, and the more you scroll down, the more widgets you will get. And you can also use the left sidebar to be specific what type of widgets you want. And Mac has a pretty good library of widgets. Now, after adding your widgets, you can obviously move them around however you like. And you can simply right click on the widgets and click remove. For some widgets, you can also change the size and make them bigger or smaller. A faster way to remove widgets is when you are on the widgets page, you will see the minus icon on top of each widget. Just click it and they will be removed. So it was a quick and easy tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.